So, good morning, guys. Like this crazy hair. It's 10:05. I've been up since about I've been up for about an hour, and sorry, I am exhausted. I am about to go get some coffee because I also have a headache. I have no medicine left to help with the headache, so I don't know. Today is not gonna be a fun day. Deklan ended up staying up way past his bedtime, so he's still sleeping, and I'll probably let him sleep because I don't want to deal with a kid that's gonna be mean all day long. So I am gonna edit this vlog and make coffee because that's what I need. It's coffee, a bunch of coffee. Alright. Guys, I'm literally just like dragging today. Don't know why. Yesterday I got a nap. I mean, I didn't sleep all that great, but I don't know. So I'm getting my coffee. I add extra milk and sugar because I don't like the way it tastes. This cat is getting annoying. So, and then I think I'm gonna make some oatmeal. Maybe. Who knows? Give me someone twice. You're an angel and always on my mind. I'm gonna love you like I do on my own. Yeah, she's worth it. Okay, that was weird. Okay, so 1 second. So I had like the weirdest experience just now. So me and Ninja were sitting over there uploading the vlog, and I was sitting there, and then all of a sudden I heard like a toy fall to the ground in one of the bedrooms. I couldn't tell which bedroom because I wasn't paying attention because Deklan is sleeping. So like, okay, well maybe Dek crawled into our room with a toy and he's finally getting up. No, he's still knocked out, and I don't know what fell. I'm not going to search to see what fell because no thank you. But it's just, I don't know. Now I'm gonna put music on. I have to start a little bit of laundry because my new goal is when, because I have a basket for my clothes, now baby A's clothes, Deklan's clothes, towels, and then towels and blankets. And my new goal is when those get filled to just go and wash them. Well, all of them are filled, so I have to wash all of them. So I'm washing Deklan's first. So yeah, and now Ninja's at the door crying because I went downstairs. All right, there we go. Back up. Thank you. Dang it. I don't feel like walking back downstairs, but the clothes that we bought yesterday for Deklan are right there. And I usually wash all the clothes. I wash like the clothes before Ninja. Wow, she just stepped in her water bowl and freaked out. So, yeah, I always wash the clothes before anybody wears them. So, out of breath. Sorry. Climb stairs. But look at pretty much everything is done. So clean. Besides over there, like it's like all put together, but it's still crazy over there. So I don't know. I'm trying to figure out which area to start in because I don't want to watch that. Because Cliff has been like on a cleaning frenzy. I think he's nesting too, probably because I started it. I have literally nested, like, there's been probably about 4 weeks of my pregnancy that I was not nesting. But also, I mean, we did just move to our house in April, so there's that. But yeah, I don't know what, I think I'm gonna focus on this little, the back of our living room area because it just needs to be done. And I still have to move all of those DVDs to right there. So that'll be fun. Just kidding. But yeah, I don't know. It's just really quiet and it's noon, so I'll probably wake up Deklan here in a minute because he doesn't need to sleep in so late, but I just didn't want him getting up at 9 when I got up because then he would have been cranky. So, yeah, let's get started.